Evenly apply RF cream to the back. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Rotating RF, body unclog channels, firm skin, and contour the body. Push the do channel in 3 sections. Push the whole do channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Wipe the treatment area with a towel,